Hi, Jess here from Nigezza.co.uk. Thank you for joining me today. Today I have got a little project for you. It's a little sleeve to put a pen in. Pen, pencil, you know, a long thin goodie or what have you. Think it's cute. It's quite quick to make. I was inspired by a swap I got. So this had, I think it had a couple of pens in actually, and this was made by Kay Mellor, who is a teammate, and she is Papercraft Skies, and I loved this, and I thought, oh, how simple and lovely, but you know, it dresses up a pen quite nicely. And this pen I have bought for my upline Sam of pootles.co.uk, and she loves a rainbow, and I saw that and I just thought this was quite cool and quite fun. And she's got cats, and I can imagine the cats would enjoy playing with that. I don't really know, I don't have cats, but I imagine they like fluffy things, don't they? And I just wanted to make something rainbowy to reflect the rainbow, and so this is that lovely paper from How Sweet, and I've done some rainbow stamping. Okay, so stay tuned and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, so I'm taking a sheet that is 6 by 6. It's from the How Sweet, and it's this lovely rainbow sheet because Sam does love a rainbow. So we are going to score at 1.5, at 3, and at 4.5, and then we'll just swizzle it around, and we're going to score at half, and that's all the scoring. And I can see that my own folder's not here. Doesn't matter because it's DSP. I can get away without my bone folder. I'm just using my thumbnail. I'm crafting at the moment downstairs in front of the telly at night, trying to get through 70 Easter cards and also my swaps. Okay, so we're doing that, and then we're going to cut away that bit and that bit. So it doesn't really matter which way round you do it. I'm going to do it this way round. So I'm going to cut off that, and I'm going to notch this ever so slightly, like so, and then we're going to cut up this side just slightly to the left of the score line, and then cut up here. Okay, and I didn't cut that very straight, did I? But it's absolutely fine. And then we're just going to do a little bit of folding. So this corner here, opposite where we've just had the little notch, we're just going to fold that down there to that diagonal line there, and make a nice little crease there. Fold up this corner here just to the first score line, so that one's going to the second score line or into the centre, and then this one down here. And that's it really. And then I'm going to use some fast fuse just for quickness because I've got it. So I'm just going to secure these. Probably don't have to. It would probably hold together without, but I am going to do it nevertheless. And then I'm going to fold this over, and I'm going to put some on there to fold up there, and that makes the bottom enclosed, whereas the one I got from On Stage had an open bottom. So an open bottom. You said bottom. I feel like a I just suddenly was feeling like the Minions. That's what I was thinking of. And then that's just going to fold around like so. So I'm going to secure that by going along there and along there, and then that will just secure nicely there. So that's a little pouch. And then we just need to decorate it. So then me pen, how cute, will just go in there. And it will go all the way down to the bottom. Little bow sticking out there, and it doesn't come out the bottom, which was what I wanted. Okay, now to decorate this, I'm using from the waterfront, Every Little Kindness Makes the World Brighter, because I thought it's a rainbow and it's bright, and Sam is really kind and really generous. Yeah, that's why I'm making her it. So I've mounted that up on a block, and I'm going to stamp here on a little scrap of Whisper White, and I'm going to cut it out with a stitched oval, and then I'm going to cut a scalloped oval out of, I wanted to say Wisteria Wonder there, that's because we were talking about Wisteria Wonder today, Highland Heather. Okay, so I want to get a bit of a rainbow going on there, so I've pulled out the markers that are in here. So we've got the two purples, Gorgeous Grape and Highland Heather, Granny Apple Green, Coastal Cabana, this is the Melon Mambo, and Pineapple Punch. And so I'm just going to colour me stamp with it. So I'm kind of going and matching kind of the way it is on there. That's going to come out there, so we want to start at that corner there with the darker purple, and all I did was stroke it across with the brush side, making sure you've got good coverage. I have done a practice one. It turned out really well, so I'm fingers crossing that me one live on camera does the same thing. I think I picked up a slight bit there of the Melon Mambo. There we go, and then we'll do the official huff, just in case some of that has dried out a bit. And we will stamp down. Oh, it's lovely. Oh, so excited. How cool is that? And it kind of does, yeah, follow. So I'm going to cut this out, and I'm going to cut this one out and come back to you. So that's all cut out. And that will layer nicely on there to go on the front. But I wanted to do a little bit more. I wanted to sort of add some ribbon. So I've got a bit of lovely lipstick, which is quite a good match, I think, for the Melon Mambo. I don't have any Melon Mambo ribbon, and so thought I might put that across. And I did think about this white as well, so I might put them both behind in some sort of fashion. To add that. Yeah, so I might just have them literally going across. So we'll cut that like that, and that like that. A bit of a crisscrossy. like that, because it's all sort of diagonals. So I might just secure them in between the, might sandwich it in between these. So I might put a bit of fast fuse on there, so then they're kind of free willy on their own, aren't they? Free willy, gosh. Do you know, I don't even actually think I saw that film. It's a right blast from the past, that. And then I don't know, I think of some random things. There we go. And then pop that like that. That's very cool, I think. Right, so we'll stick this down, and then I might pop it up on some dimensionals. Get some dimensionals on the back of here. And I'm thinking I might put a sequin or two on there as well. Probably don't need 4, but they could well end up, this could well end up in a bag full of other swaps. So some extra security wouldn't go amiss. There we go, like that. And I might just put a bit of bling on there. We have just a little one of these at the top, and I might put a yellow one at the bottom. I know it's a different yellow, but it will be fine. There. I like that. I hope Sam does. I'm sure she will. And it is just nice to, when you pick something up, makes you think of someone, and it's just a nice way to sort of dress it up to give to them. How cute is that? There we go. Hope you liked it. All the details will be on my blog, nigezza.co.uk, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you.